Hi guys, this is Mike Korn, and I just wanted to take a couple minutes to demonstrate how to use Microsoft Camera for our segments with the video that we're creating for the high holidays. So to get started, we'll click the Start menu in Microsoft Windows. We're going to look for Microsoft Camera, which is loaded with Windows, with the Windows operating system. And we're ready to roll. So here you can adjust what you're doing, and then when you're ready, you click this button. It says Take Video. Click it, and as you can see at the bottom, it's ticking away seconds. So you'll know how long your segment is. You'll go ahead and read your piece, and then when you're done, you click the Stop Taking Video button. And that's all there is to it. Now, in order to see your video, all we have to do is, and hopefully you're familiar with this, is Windows Explorer. So this little icon down here at the bottom, and you go to Documents, you go to Pictures, Camera Roll, and there's our video right there. So let's double click it and play it. And you can see at the bottom, it's ticking away seconds. So you'll know how long your segment is. Okay, that's enough. You'll go ahead and read your piece, and then when you're done, you click the stop. All right, very good. And what we can do, and what we would like for you to do, is rename the file. So you hover over the file name. You can see, you can find it very easily. There's the year, 2020. There's the month and the date. And here's the time in military time. So it's 6:23. So if you right click it and then hit rename, then you can put it, and what we're hoping to do to help organize all the videos is put the page number that you read and the prayer. And enter. And there we go. Now what you can do is grab this and send it via email to Nancy, and she'll go ahead and compile those, and you get it off to our production guy. All right, well, that's about it. If you have any questions, I have volunteered to be available to help. We'll get that contact information out to you very soon. Thanks for watching.